The mobile-based information system to facilitate nutrition-driven agriculture to combat hidden hunger in Africa project is a collaboration between Western Sydney University, University of Pretoria, the University of Ibadan, and the University of Nairobi. The project set out to explore ways to minimize hidden hunger by empowering affected communities through a mobile application that enables them to assess the quality of their diets and identify suitable local crop varieties that can fill the nutrition gap. The project drew inspiration from two independently executed projects conducted by the Universities of Western Sydney and Pretoria, bringing together the expertise and understanding from these two projects together with partners from Kenya and Nigeria. Sustainable Development Goal 2 seeks to end hunger, achieve food security, and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture. Africa's Malabo Declaration on Accelerated Agricultural Growth and Transformation for Shared Prosperity and Improved Livelihoods supports this, focusing on agriculture-led growth as the main strategy to achieve Africa's targets for food and nutrition security as well as shared prosperity. This project seeks to contribute to this goal in a practical application of knowledge and expertise from across 8 academic disciplines. 4 institutional teams from 4 countries have been working together on the development of the mobile app to assess their dietary diversity and identify crops that will help improve their nutrition and that can be grown at their specific location in Kenya, Nigeria, and South Africa. While much research focuses on identifying the causes of one outcome of food insecurity, namely undernourishment, there is increasing global discussion on the need to address malnutrition in all its forms, undernourishment, micronutrient deficiencies or hidden hunger, as well as obesity. This study therefore goes beyond simply looking at how to produce more food, but seeks to address the very nutritional deficiencies that prevent millions in Africa from participating in inclusive growth and development processes. More than 26% of preschool children in Kenya, 37% in Nigeria, and 33% in South Africa are stunted, in other words, short for their age. This condition represents a chronic form of undernourishment in early life, leads to irrecoverable physical and mental development. With this in mind, the 4 teams embarked on a collaborative project to find a practical solution.
The Western Sydney University team is Professor Atula Ginige, Dr. Barman Javadi, and Dr. Rodrigo Calleros. Professor Ginige leads the Social Computing and Digital Knowledge Ecosystem Research Program. Both Dr. Javadi and Dr. Calleros research on big data and cloud-based information systems.
The University of Pretoria's multidisciplinary team includes colleagues Prof. Serena Kutsia and Dr. Victoria Rotenbach from the Department of Geography and Geoinformatics, Dr. Marita Turpin from the Department of Informatics at the School of IT, Dr. Moraka Makura from the Department of Agricultural Economics, Extension and Rural Development, Dr. Nokatula Vilakazi, a nutritionist and postdoc fellow with the Institute for Food, Nutrition and Wellbeing, and the director of this institute, Professor Cheryl Hendricks.
This is the University of Ibadan, Nigeria team. It consists of Professor Victor Okorua, who is from the Department of Agri-Economics. Also in the team is Mr. Oluwatosin Leshi from the Department of Human Nutrition, and myself, Falake O. Samuel, also from the Department of Human Nutrition, University of Ibadan, Nigeria.
This is the team from the University of Nairobi, Kenya. It consists of Dr. David Jatinda from the Department of Agricultural Economics, Dr. Angela Adiambo Andago from the Department of Food Science, Nutrition and Technology, and myself, Professor Willis Oluoch Kosura from the Department of Agricultural Economics.
The 2 earlier projects complement each other.
Sydney University, based on 6 years of research, we have developed a mobile-based information system for empowering and uplifting farmer livelihoods through knowledge and market coordination.
Because the project is a large-scale project and the technologies that it develops, it has the potential for a big impact.
Combining insights from both these projects, we have now designed a mobile-based information system for Africa to inform about crops that can be grown locally to address nutritional deficiencies in the diet of the people and information about how to grow these crops. We are creating a database of crops that can be grown in different parts of Africa and the types of nutrition these crops can provide. Using Food and Agriculture Organization guidelines, we have devised a way to identify missing nutrients in people's diet. This enables us to recommend locally grown cereals, fruits and vegetables that they can eat, information about how to grow these crops, and related nutritional aspects. The users can sign into the mobile app and identify where they live using the map. Next, they can provide some information about their household and take the food survey. In the food survey, the user is shown images of commonly consumed food organized into 16 food categories and get them to select types of food that they have consumed in the last 24 hours. At the end, a summary is provided based on nutritional aspects. Next, they can explore available locally grown crops and vegetables that can address nutritional deficiencies identified in their diet. They also can obtain information about how to grow these crops. Household diet menu provides summary of the diet in the last 24 hours, over 3 days and 5 days. Such population statistics collected over a period of time will enable decision and policymakers to better allocate resources and create policies in a coordinated way to encourage local communities to grow their own food to eliminate hidden hunger from Africa.
The team will meet in South Africa in January to engage with smallholder farmers to test their app and to get their feedback on the product. We wish to thank the AAUN and our institutions for this exciting opportunity to collaborate and innovate.